What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Trainer's Journey on YouTube. Thanks very much for joining me on yet another exciting video where we're covering off three stocks, which will be CCIV, NIO and Tesla. We've got information and news surrounding all stocks, so stay tuned for this video as I cover all three stocks and the latest information. So just before I get into this video, if you haven't checked out my Instagram, it is traderjourney_official. Be sure to check it out as I provide trading tips and investing tips on there on a daily basis. Feel free to DM me as well should you guys need any further information. So first off, I want to go through NIO. So NIO has been trending in this upward trend here for a while, as you will have noticed from my previous videos. It's currently trading at 56.74 at this point in time. I do expect NIO to drop a bit further from a technical standpoint before we see retests of all-time highs. I expect it to surpass 67 and reach for the 70 price target within the next couple of weeks. Now, that on top of good news which has recently come out for NIO, which we've been told NIO has actually surpassed car sales and expectations, and it's got new boosted shares of US car makers, and EV stocks in general have been doing extremely well. But NIO has actually said on Monday it delivered 7,225 deliveries in January alone, a new monthly record for the company and a 352% rise from a year ago. And this is incredible news for investors, and it has delivered 82,866 vehicles in total, it said. So whether or not that is in mainland China or across the globe, we're yet to find out, but that is incredible numbers for the NIO brand. And on top of that, NIO's American depository receipts rose on the news, but later gave back those gains and traded nearly 3% lower. So the stock is up 1,364% in the past 12 months, in fact, contrasting with gains of around 17% for the S&P 500. So NIO stock alone has surpassed all those gains, as well as seen in the S&P 500. So this stock is going to be one for the future and one for the short term. For anyone looking for a short-term gain, NIO is still a great opportunity. So with this news combined with this upward trend here, I would expect NIO to make a move higher in the next days to weeks. But I would definitely expect to see it retest the all-time high of 67 and potentially reach for a target there of 70, which I have as a projection. So that is just a short-term projection, guys. So I think I will continue to hold this stock in the long term. And there's obviously several other EV stocks in the market, such as XPEV. GM Motors have also got an electric car, Ford Motors, as well as Tesla, which I'll come on to shortly in this video. But NIO for me is one of the strongest, should be the strongest to deliver in the next coming year, especially with the new car sales and the new jurisdictions in which it operates. So NIO I will continue to hold, and I will expect to reach 70 in the next couple of weeks. And that is my price target for NIO. Next up, guys, I wanted to cover off Tesla. So Tesla is very, very interesting at this point in time. We have had several different analyst ratings from Tesla in the past month alone. One of the notable ones is JP Morgan, which downgraded the price of Tesla by 85%, giving it a price target of anywhere between $105 and $125. So that is extremely interesting because of the fact that there has been so many other analyst firms give out price targets for Tesla. And some of the other notable ones, which is as recent as today, Piper Sandler gave the price target for Tesla at they increased their price target from $515 to $1,200, which is insane, guys. And it's definitely achievable for the Tesla price. From a technical standpoint, it still has potential to reach highs. I had an initial price target a couple of weeks ago of $1,000, but now with this increased price target of $1,200, it's insane. I think that would mainly be for the short term, guys, because in the long term, as you can see from the charts here, Tesla does not seem, based on its EPS, based on its deliverables there, it does not seem like a stock which is worth that market cap. So in the short term, absolutely, I think we can reach for the $1,000 or $1,200, but in the long term, guys, I think this is going to come crashing as expected by JP Morgan. So as you can see, my charts are heavily illustrated here with price levels, so you can see how much Tesla has been traded for me over the past year. But recently I have been put off by Tesla because of these extended highs here, and these sort of so many analyst ratings coming out with Tesla. You're not sure what to believe and what is coming around the corner for Tesla, because as soon as we see a market crash, I believe Tesla's going to be one of the biggest losers, and we will see a huge sell-off. But saying that, knowing how Tesla has moved in the past, you can't rule out a further move to the upside. So just based on these analyst ratings, you can't expect, you don't know what to expect next. With all the hype on Tesla, you just never know where it could go. People have been shorting Tesla for a number of years, but it's continued to prove them wrong. So let's see where Elon Musk takes Tesla from here. But it is one to watch, guys. But with a price target as of today of 1200, you just never know what's going to happen next. But in the long term, I definitely suspect that Tesla's going to come dropping down. Maybe not so much as 85%, but it will lose a significant amount of its market cap. So stay tuned for updates on that, on Tesla specifically on the channel. And lastly, guys, I just wanted to give you an update on CCIV. So there isn't much new news surrounding CCIV, but I just wanted to show you something very interesting on the charts from a technical point of view. So as you can see, CCIV was in a downtrend from the 25th of January. It was downtrending here all the way down to the 28th, 29th of January, and we have since seen this reversal. So there has definitely been a change in market sentiment in the CCIV stock, and there's a lot of expectation in the market that this deal is going to happen very, very soon. So there is definitely some rumors here, guys. There is no official news, unfortunately, which I'm able to give you, but there is some rumors. So I think it's appropriate here to buy the rumor and sell the news. And there is a lot of hype in CCIV. Just today alone, it is up 10% to 11%, guys, which is insane. And we have suddenly now seen a reversal in the stock movement. The downtrend has now reversed into an upward trend, as you can see here. So in this next couple of days, I wouldn't be surprised if CCIV begins to retest that all-time high of 28.55, and is certainly capable of doing that with all the hype and the rumors surrounding the stock. So we have to remain patient, guys. I am in this stock. It is one of the long-term positions which I'm holding, and I will continue to be patient until the announcement is released. It's unfortunate we haven't had any more news on the stock, but there is definitely a lot of insider buying here, a lot of rumors on the stock. So I will continue to hold this position and see what happens in the next week or so, because it is definitely going to pay off by holding into this stock. And if it does work out, then we will definitely see the profits to confirm that. So I hope that gives you guys some help and helps you understand what is happening in the market with these three hot stocks, which is NIO, Tesla, and CCIV. Just before I leave you guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, join this community as I provide you with daily stock and investing information. Do drop a like on this video, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, or feel free to DM me on my Instagram, which is traderjourney_official. So thanks very much for watching. I will catch you all on the next one. Take care. Goodbye.